Despite you know what has to be written in the examination, you are so stressed out that you are working day in and day out to maintain or to have a good result. But in this process, what happens is you are burnt out. Now this stage is a stage in psychology where you are not able to actually bring in the best from inside yourselves, and this is attributed to one of the reasons, which is poor sleep. So if you are stressed, if you are burnt out, you won't have a proper sleep. And if you don't have a proper sleep before your examination, the ultimate result would be, despite the fact that you know the content well, you are well prepared, just because of all that hassles going on in the mind, you won't be able to give in your 100%. Ultimately, that would reflect in your result. So if you want a good result, definitely have a sound sleep just before your examination. Stay stress free, and that would be one of the ways to achieve good marks.